Hello, I am Pranjali from onlineclass4u.com. Today I am going to teach you about place value. What is place value? Place value is represented by a digit in a number based on its position. So if we want to find the place value of a number from a 5-digit number, then first we have to find out the 5-digit number. Where from we will get that 5-digit number? So first we have to take a 4-digit number. Now, to find out the 5-digit number from a 4-digit number, first we have to take the largest 4-digit number, that is 9,999 is the largest 4-digit number. Here, if we add 1 to 9,999, we'll get a 5-digit number, that is 10,000. And if we count the number from the left hand side, we'll be counting it as ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. That is, we get a new 5-digit number. Now, these 5-digit numbers, if we want to find out the place value, then we have to make the chart into a new period. That is called a 10,000 periods. Now, what is periods? When a place value chart is separated into two groups, then it is known as periods. Here two groups will be formed. In one group it will come ones period and the another group is the thousands period. In ones period it will come ones, tens and hundreds, and in under thousands period it will come thousands and 10,000s. Now let us take an example of a number, say 54,769. We'll design a place value chart from this number. Here, according to the places of the numbers, we'll be putting the values into their places. So 9 will be coming under ones place, 6 will be coming in sixth place, tens place, 7 will be coming under hundreds place, 4 will be coming under thousands place, and 5 will be coming under 5,000s place. And according to their places, they will be multiplied according to their number. So since 4 is under thousands place, it will count as 4 into 1000. 5 is under 10,000 place, so 5 will be multiplied by 5,000. 7 is under hundreds place, it will be multiplied with 100 and so on. Now, to find out the expanded notation of this number, it will come as 50,000 plus 4,000 plus 700 plus 60 plus 9. If we add this number, we'll get this number as 54,769. Now, if I want to find the place value of 5, it will come as 5 into 10,000. Why? Because 5 is under 10,000's place. So, it will be coming as 5 into 10,000. The place value of 5 is 50,000. Next, let us take an example of a 6-digit number. Here, it will extend it to one more periods, that is lakhs. So, when we will be designing the place value chart, here 3 groups will be coming, ones period, thousands period and the lakhs. Let us take an example, say 5,62,304. And according to their places, here also we are placing the numbers in their respective places. Say 4 is under ones place, 0 is under tens place, 3 is under hundreds place, 2 is under thousands place, and so on. And here also, like the previous slide, if I ask you to write the expanded notation of that number, it will be coming as 5 lakhs plus 60,000 plus 2,000 plus 300 plus 0 plus 4. And if we add this number, we'll get 5,62,304. Next, if I want to find the place value of 5, then it will be multiplied by 1 lakhs. Since 5 is under lakhs place, so 5 will be multiplied by 5 into 1 lakhs. So what will be the place value of 5? Place value of 5 will be 5 into 1 lakhs equal to 5 lakhs. Roman numerals. In Roman numerals, we always use 7 letters of English alphabet to denote the numbers. 7 letters, which are the 7 numbers? I, V, X, L, C, D and M. And their corresponding number of the English alphabets is shown in the slide. I means 1, V means 5, X means 10, L means 50, C means 100, D means 500, M means 1000. We can repeat these numbers, but not all, except D and V. Rest of the alphabets like I, X, C and M, we can repeat. However, we can repeat them not into twice, we can repeat them into thrice also. So next, if we are placing this I, X and C on the left of a large letter, then always we means it is a subtraction. And if we place a larger letter I, X and C on the left of the smaller letter, then it means addition. For more details, please log into our website www.onlineclass4u.com.